Whew. Okay, well, I am really not feeling 100% today. My eyes are really bad. Like, they're swollen, they burn. They were very red. And I just don't feel good. Whew. It's so dramatic. It looks like I'm crying, but I'm not. That is the deal. I got my nail in that. It's a hot mess. What am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I mean, obviously I have clothes on, so I know what I'm gonna wear. I don't know what I'm gonna do on my eyes. Like, my makeup's not laying very great. It's not laying greatly and goodly. I know I look extra crazy. And I also hate this beanie, but it matches, so I'm wearing it. I took my braids down. Didn't have time to really do my hair in any way because I don't do that. But I'm gonna get my hair rebraided tomorrow. Some more cornrows, but oh man. You know, one thing I just noticed is that I never say like, hey guys, or not often this week. Saying like, hey, welcome back, blah blah blah. That's because I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying, so it's probably nice if I greet you. So hey guys, sorry for being rude. Oh my god, I look horrible. Wow, it's really amazing in the worst kind of way. I don't know what I'm doing today. It's really weird. I'm very off my game. Okay. Looking better with a bit of a darker shade to kind of bring some dynamic range to this. Not very creative, I know, but it's hard to be creative when you have to rush out the door. I wish that I had more time in the mornings, but then I won't sleep as much, and who would wish that upon anybody? Sleep is a thing, it's needed. And whew. It's needed. Look at this. Super needed. Bitch old. A bitch is old. And I hate to admit it, man. I mean, I don't know what I'm saying by that. I don't know that I hate to admit it. I guess I hate that it's the case. I don't think I hate to admit it, though. I don't want to be ashamed of, like, the fact that I'm older. Like, it just is what it is. Yeah, I've lived a pretty cool life in many ways, so I don't know that it's a bad thing to be older. I don't get, like, the kind of ageism where it's like, you're old. It's like, so? You're young. I got shit going on that you don't. You got shit going on that I don't. It is what it is. But for sure need concealer this morning, girl. Something that's nice about this one is that it because it's an older shade, like it's not my true color anymore, but because it has kind of like these red undertones. And I know I was never actually that full shade, but people can't match makeup, especially if you're a brown girl. So but that red undertone really helps cancel out like the darkness that's like under my eyes. It's really bad this morning. It's bad. And my nose is red. Like, oh, my life. What is happening? I'm putting this on early just because I can't bear to like look at my face like this. I really need to see that there is some hope. I gotta hurry. I gotta get out of here. My whole morning is gone. My whole morning is gone. And I've been up since, I don't know, like 6:30. 3 hours later. It shouldn't be, I'm slow. That's what it is. And I try to do too many things in the morning, like take out my hair when I know I gotta take care of my dog. I didn't pack my bag the night before. You know, it really is my fault, but life is hard. To play the lottery. I need to win money so that way I can not be on this grind and I can just live my life. Red nose. Better. I can only clogged on this side. Look at that. White nails. Oh, I never showed off my Halloween nails and now they're old and crusty. But they're cute. You can't see because of overexposure. There's like faces in these. Like a face and like hands like pressing out against like a white background. I saw it on Pinterest. Super cool. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. I post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side. So this is a quick like day, like not hella makeup on today. I probably need it the most, but I don't have time for it, so I'm just gonna curl these lashes. This torture process, it hurts so bad. Shit hurts, man. 2 days in a row this drawer is cooperating. Nice. All right, my old faithful. I actually really like this mascara. Okay, that's fine. I don't even know what shoes I'm wearing today. I'm wearing all this burgundy. It's like, oh, what shoes am I gonna wear? That was my housemate. Take it off. I'm usually out before her, so when I'm not, that really is a reality check about the way I'm living my life. But now I can talk a little more freely because I don't have to worry about somebody listening in and feeling silly. My eyes burn still, and they're still like pinkish. Oh, and these brows, I can tell they're not trying to cooperate this morning. Looking real silly already. Oh. I'm very hungry. I'm very tired. My eyes are like crazy. I think this is like fine enough. I think I'm gonna like not fuck it up any more than it may already be, but I'm not gonna. Definitely looks so much better. Ugh. Okay, well, this was hell boring. I'm sorry. Oh man, I feel really bad for people. My eyes burn. But I'm not in a bad mood. I'm just, I'm not even sad, although I feel slightly overwhelmed. But man, I could use a day. And I'm so happy today is Friday. Oh my gosh. I just finished doing my makeup. And it's nothing special. And it's not even a full face. It's like literally just my eyes. Like right here. Nothing down here, nothing up here. But I didn't shoot an intro, and I noticed that I kind of haven't been doing that. So I thought, now that I'm done with my makeup, I would just take a moment and say, hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing very mediocre, but that's kind of like the story of my life. So my eyes are burning, but like if I'm gonna get sick or like what the deal is, if I just need to sleep. But yeah, I'm not feeling awesome. I gotta get going, but I want to say thank you for being here. I hope you guys enjoy our videos. I know that this one's actually kind of boring, and in general, possibly I'm very boring. I'm still trying to figure out like what I'm doing here, and also like how to not be boring like in the morning when you're tired and people are like trying to get ready and there's like resource constraints, and then possibly your roommate is like listening to you vlog. That's for another discussion. That's for me to handle. That's for me to figure out. But sorry nonetheless. Anywho, I guess I better get going. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Yay, we recorded some shit.